Have you ever wondered how your relationships shape your personality? Welcome back to the Psycho Nurse. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful theory that centers human connection as the foundation of mental health. Harry Stack Sullivan's interpersonal theory. This theory changed how we see personality, not as an isolated trait, but as something born and shaped through relationships. Let's go. Born in 1892, Sullivan was an American psychiatrist, deeply influenced by Freud, but focused more on interpersonal relationships than inner drives. Believed mental illness stems from disturbances in relationships rather than solely unconscious conflict. Developed interpersonal psychoanalysis. Known for treating schizophrenia and emphasizing social environments in therapy. Core belief. Personality is shaped through interpersonal relationships. Emphasis on social experiences, particularly during childhood and adolescence. Focuses on how people relate to others to reduce anxiety and gain satisfaction. Two major forces in human behavior: satisfaction, biological needs, food, water, sex, and security, emotional safety, acceptance. Anxiety is not biological, but interpersonal. Comes from social disapproval or rejection. The self system is developed to protect us from anxiety. Built from early interactions with caregivers, includes good me, bad me, and not me. Sullivan proposed 6 stages of development based on interpersonal relationships: infancy, 0 to 1 year; childhood, 1 to 5 years; juvenile, 6 to 8 years; pre-adolescence, 9 to 12 years; early adolescence, 13 to 17 years, and late adolescence, 18 early adulthood. Participant observer role. The therapist is not detached, but participates in the client's world. Therapy focuses on current interpersonal interactions, not just the past. Use of detailed inquiry to understand interactions and self-perceptions. Harry Stack Sullivan taught us that who we are is a direct reflection of how we connect. Mental health isn't just about fixing what's inside. It's about healing how we relate to the outside. If this theory spoke to you, smash that like button, share this with a fellow psych student, and don't forget to subscribe to the Psycho Nurse for more powerful insights.